Hi, I'm Jen from Rustic Rehabs. Let's hit up the bins. It's on 91st and Fond du Lac in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and it's always hopping. Today I'm looking for decor that I can save and use to stage in my shop, Rustic Rehabs, where we paint furniture and decor and teach other people to do the same. I took these up to the front and asked the gal to give me a different price because they were so big. That's a good tip for stuff at the bins that's heavy. And so they ended up to be only a couple of bucks each. I may use those as window displays for some of my classes, etc. I have a friend who would love this lamp and would take it all apart, but I am actually going to pass on it. I ended up putting this little colander back, even though it's very cool. I just don't have a kitchen space. So this, I have a kid's space, and some little girl is going to love this. I'm going to pass on those shower curtain rings, but look at, there must have been 20 bins today. Last year when I used to come, it was not this full. And stick around because I've never been there when they switched out the bins. There's always about 20 kids who are standing around waiting for the clothes bins to be swapped. But this time they swapped out the decor bins too, and I found some cool stuff. If you ever need baskets for a project, the bins is a great place. You can get them for pennies. Be sure you've had some protein before you go because it can be a lot of work to dig through this stuff, and you need your brain power to make so many decisions. If you're like me, you want to save all the old things and you got to really edit your cart. Like there's no way I'm taking that cupcake pan. And because I want to save all the old things, this is the last stop, I'm told, before it hits the landfill. I really have to stop myself and think, does this match the aesthetic of my shop? Can I really save this? Am I really going to work on it versus adding to my clutter? Because I've got a room full of clutter I need to handle for my shop, and I really don't want to be making it worse. There was a lot of Christmas again this week. Proof that there's some good stuff at the bottom. Look at this little deer. I'll put him away for Christmas next year. Put him safely inside the snowman. And this guy will get put away too. I think he gets a tree in him next year. He doesn't fit in there, so we'll just tuck him in. Some Cricut vinyl. That's going to be for pennies. Yes, please. This tree might have been a little heavy because it had a cement base and it looks pretty janky, but people always want to buy my Christmas trees, so I'm going to grab this. He was probably less than $5. This is really cute, and I ended up loading it full of stuff for taking to the car. It was a burlap bag that looked like Santa's bag with some Christmas letters on it. It was cute. I have a feeling this little kid accordion would be really funny, but we're going to leave it there. Do you know, I have a kids section at my shop, and every kid gets a free book when they come in. I'm going to be on the hunt for books next, but I have a different sweet spot for that, not the bins, because it can get kind of expensive. Books at the bins aren't expensive, but buying them to give away for me is expensive. I should clarify. This I thought about for a minute. This is Hershey's Recipes, and I feel like this is pretty cool. But again, no kitchen space, don't need more clutter. So I hope somebody else finds this who likes to cook. Part of my wanting to take everything home is when I find something that I think is really cool, I try to stick it on the side where somebody's sure to see it and take it. Anybody else do that? I doubt it does any good. Look at this. Oh, I should have grabbed that Scrabble game for the tiles. Dang it. I really wanted to take this recycling garbage truck, but it didn't have the little garbage can. Oh, I think it would have been sad if it didn't have the little garbage can for kids, so I put it back, but that makes me sad. This put to the side. Hopefully somebody takes it home for their dog. Mine has enough. Oh, this little bunny is missing part of his arm. I can fix some stuff, but that would have been hard to recreate. But stay tuned. I find another bunny pretty fast. Here he is. So cute. On my website and in my shop. I don't know what this. I think this used to be a turkey, but now it's garbage. Anybody know what this thing is? It looks like it was maybe for slides, but I really have no idea. First Chuck E. Cheese sighting of the day. There will be another. He gives me the creeps. Anybody else? This picnic basket was cute. Does anybody actually use picnic baskets anymore? It had lemons inside. It was definitely vintage and cobwebs. Now this little bird's nest is perfect. I already put it to use. Look at how perfect it is for this little sconce that I have. And I feel like this mini teddy bear should be sent to my friend Bree. So this is a new gunned bunny rabbit, perfect for Easter. I'm going to take the tags off, take them home, and give them a bath in the washing machine. This helicopter I think is so cool for Barbies. So I took this back to the shop, and Laura actually is taking it home for her granddaughter, which makes me super happy. Janine made several yarn trees on frames this year that sold crazily, so I am taking that yarn tree home. This clock could have been so good, but the front of it was missing and the battery back was missing, and it makes me sad because it looks really neat. I did grab these gloves for me though. They're brand new, I think. This rope thing is so cool. I can't wait to find some plant pots to put in it. I used to have a smaller version of this, so I think this is going to be really neat. They were getting ready to take these bins, so I was going really fast and trying to be really picky. But this is one of the coolest finds of the day. This little wooden duck, it is rare. I don't know if it's collectible, but you can't buy it at this toy store anymore, and it is the cutest little tag-along duck. I grabbed this Santa head to embellish something next Christmas. And I think this duck is adorable for Easter. I will put him in the washing machine. We'll put these snowflakes away for next year. And I did not take this bunny home. I thought it was pretty scary. This Melissa and Doug toy got cleaned up and put in the kid area. This tree is a cool find. We'll put this away till next year. Brand new looking mercury glass looking Hobby Lobby candlesticks. This is a lot of tinsel. This will be good on my retro tree for next Christmas. At this point, I thought I was done, but I did see that they were pulling out new home decor bins, and I've never been there before when they've done that. So even though my cart was overflowing and I was trying to edit it, I ran over there and I got this chandelier. I didn't get any other footage. I got some other cool stuff, but it was too crazy to record. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Take good care. A thumbs up is free and really helps my channel, and please subscribe or follow. Bye.